Introducing the Tohnichi 50-500 Nm torque wrench tester from Flexible Assembly Systems. This advanced tester combines precision engineering with user-friendly features, making it an indispensable tool for quality control and maintenance professionals. With a wide torque range of 50 to 500 Nm, the Tohnichi 50-500 Nm torque wrench tester can accommodate a variety of torque wrench capacities, ensuring versatility in your testing applications. The integrated motor-driven loader simplifies the testing process, providing consistent and repeatable torque application for accurate results. Featuring an accuracy of 1%, this torque wrench tester delivers reliable and precise measurements, giving you confidence in your results. A clear and intuitive digital display provides real-time torque readings, enabling easy monitoring and analysis of test results. The peak hold function captures and displays the maximum torque value, allowing you to easily identify the highest torque applied during testing. With its robust construction and compact design, the Tohnichi 50-500 Nm torque wrench tester is built to withstand rigorous use in industrial environments. Its durable 3/4 square drive ensures compatibility with a wide range of torque wrenches. Elevate your torque wrench testing capabilities with the Tohnichi 50-500 Nm torque wrench tester. Invest in this advanced tester and experience peace of mind, knowing that your torque wrenches are performing optimally. Visit FlexibleAssembly.com today. Our on-staff assembly tool experts are available to answer your technical questions and help you find the right torque wrench tester for your needs.